At ArcBest and ABF Freight, we're very proud of our drivers, owner-operators, and carrier partners. They have one of the most demanding and important jobs in the country, and we all depend on what they deliver. With every mile, every shipment, and every delivery, we believe truck drivers are moving the world forward and driving much more than freight from point A to point B.
During Truck Driver Appreciation Week, we want to express our gratitude to the drivers, dock workers, and support teams across our organization.
Thank you for driving the economy.
Thank you for driving the innovation.
Thank you for driving hope.
Thank you for driving assistance.
Thank you for driving protection.
Thank you for driving day-to-day life.
Thank you for driving necessities.
Thank you for driving safety.
Thank you for driving the future.
Thank you for driving the supply chain.
Thank you for your professionalism and safe driving.
Thank you for protecting our nation's supply chain.
Thank you for moving the world forward.
Thanks for all you do every day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.